Ever get tired of doing your laundry? You're not alone. And this leads to many people choosing to have their laundry done by professionals. Either because they lack the time to do it themselves or simply don't want to. To start a laundry service, you need is to buy or get access to a low cost and large capacity laundry machine. Learn the basics about detergents and how to correctly wash clothes without damaging them. To market your laundry, start by creating and posting flyers to residential properties. Ideally, you should initially target flats as many flat blocks in built areas don't have washing machines themselves. You could also partner with laundries to offer their existing customer base a deliver option. Simple. You can also take out advertising in the local newspaper.